like this, mommy.
You want like that? Okay, guys, I'm going to cut Yaren's hair.
Bye.
Because she's been wanting to have a bangs. Nung isang buwan pa yan, guys. Gusto niya magka-bangs. Tapos ngayon, sabi ko, oh sige, wait lang, kakain muna ako. Oh sige, wait lang, mag-work lang ako. Sabi niya ngayon, Mami, puro ka lang wait. Kaya ngayon, let's cut her bangs na. Why you want to have a bangs?
I love bangs, sir.
You love bangs?
Mom, look, when Barbie's baby, you don't like bangs. You're bangs. What? I love bangs.
Okay.
Ouch. Like this. I want bangs.
Don't keep on moving.
Mommy, my hair is the better. Look at me. Mommy.
If you keep on moving,
Look, my hair is the better.
if you keep on moving, I will do it.
Ang ganda pa ng hair ko. Kaya ang ganda pa ng hair ko. Ano? Ano survivor? Wala sa mama?
Ha?
Wala sa mama?
Ito niya to.
Nahirapan siguro siya.
Magkabidya ha? Magkabidya na. Tut.
Niya.
Tut, 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 tut.
Baka nahirapan.
Tut, 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 tut. Tut, tut.
Yan, higher yan.
Bayad.
Let first he come in and on inside, now he come here.
Don't keep on moving. Normally you close your eyes, so ano, it's a surprise.
Yes, because I like it.
You like it?
Yes, I like that.
You
I want to say my friend here bangs, so because I love bangs when maybe I have bangs.
Okay. Wait, first I will take a photo. Wait, look here muna. I will take a photo of you. Like this.
I open my eyes, you know.
Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. Don't move.
Mom, look, if I open my eyes, why my eyes is getting hurt?
Yes. Don't touch that. Don't move, ha? Don't move too much, Yaren.
Okay, so
If you do,
Sir?
yeah, if you move too much, I might gonna cut it wrong.
Yes. So hard?
No, you don't have to. You don't have to.
Okay. If you said hard, I will hold.
Like that.
Sini.
Back to left. Back to left.
I like it. Wow!
Wait lang, di pa nga. Tapos itlagyan ka eh.
But I like it. I have
Back
eyes.
to left.
What color?
Back to left. It's not yet done. Back to left. Becky. Becky.
Because
Close your eyes, please. Becky. Becky.
it's very
Don't move, please. Don't move.
We don't make the look is up and this is
Back.
fun.
Becky. 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 Close your eyes, please. Becky.
Oh.
Becky. Becky. Close your eyes.
I like it. I have bags.
You like it?
Yes.
Becky. Becky, close your eyes, please.
Wow.
Wait.
Wow. I like it.
You like it?
Tumba, 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 tumba.
Look there.
Kibang ang boy. Diba? And then that girl have like that always.
Wait, look at me. Wait.
It's so good.
It's okay, that's why you will take a shower after that. Oh, wait. Don't move, ha?
If I did like this, what would happen?
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wait a minute. We will surprise Oma and ano. No! Oh my goodness, just put it there. Are you ready? Wait. Adi, 1, 2, 3.
Let's see. Come here.
Ikaw din, Barbie. Cut your bangs. Maganda nga may bangs ka eh.
You curly Anna's hair?
Yeah, Mami, ano nangyari
Did you curly Anna's hair?
Mami?
Mommy, she cut her she's like Dora. Dora.
Parang gusto ko rin tuloy mag-bangs. Napagplanuhan kong i-cut yung bangs ni Ate Barbie and my bangs also. Magpa-bangs tayo. Okay, dali.
Mama, I don't look pretty.
You will this hand? Here, it's a surprise nga eh.
Mommy, before someone could also make up, I do not look pretty, someone make fun of me.
It's not true. You're always pretty. Come here, po. Gusto na muna kita. Tapos after this, maligo tayo. Maligo ah. Dali, Claire. Dali. Okay.
Mommy, I hope I look good.
You will look good.
Because when the last mommy, I do not look good. Are you okay? When you oh my god, my pretty. My fresh hair. My pretty.
Yeah, you are. Ayusin ko yung pagkupit.
Mommy, better. Okay?
Azar mısın?
Değilim.
Hazır mısın?
Not.
Close your eyes.
Mommy.
Close your eyes.
Oh, are you sure it's like that? Mommy, what did you
Wait,
do?
done. It's not yet done. It's some memories.
Oh,
Barbie.
I have a mustache. Wait, mommy, wait. Yana!
Efendim.
Can you take my bag?
Later. Hadi.
I'm a Dora. Mommy, you better cut yours. Don't say wait, okay?
Tamam.
Parang hindi sila pantay dito.
Ganito talaga yun.
But,
Don't move.
mommy, don't put there. You should put it here.
Oh, there.
Mommy, what is this? Mommy, look at it.
Back. Take close your eyes niya. Hindi kasi sanay yung buhok mo.
Why is that in her curly, mommy? Parang na curly.
Kasi nagpagupit niya siya, di ba? Kani. Ganyan ka mo.
Mommy. You're cutting my eyebrow.
Wait na, Ate Barbie. Ate Barbie? What happened? Why it's black here? Did you hit your eyes?
What? Did I hit my eyes?
Okay.
Pasta. Yes. Abay pagkadil-kadil pa sa Bobby. I'm Alec Perry.
Okay.
It's Alec Perry. No, Alec Perry.
See, look at you, Ate. O, diba? Look at you. Wait lang, wait lang. Ang ganda. Okay, ano yun? Kulang yan sa planche.
Can I see?
Di ba ang ganda?
Can I get my rabbit? Happy!
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, ang ganda eh. Oh.
Parang si Lara.
Di ba ang ganda? Paayaw-ayaw pa si Oma mo. Patingin nga, patingin. Ang ganda, di ba? Parang nag-mature si Barbie, no? Oh, ang ganda. Tapos, wait lang. You like your bangs, Yaren? So much? Oh, eto pa isa. Oh, umiiyak si Ate Barbie. But she likes her bangs naman.
Look like this.
Like that? Oh my, that's too long. Oh my. Can I see Ate Barbie? Can I see?
Baba's not crying.
Ate Barbie, can I see? See? Ang ganda niya. Guys, pamilyang may bangs na to. Teka. I will also cut my bangs. Yung camera ko medyo malabo na siya kasi yung tawag nito. Ang dumi ng sa looban, hindi siya malinis. But yeah, magbagi tayo ng bangs. I've been wanting to put bangs na since siguro then iisipan ko na talaga siya. Pinag-iisipan ko na talaga siya, but now, I decided na, why not? Why not coconut? Let's experiment. Let's experiment. Not too much. Humagay talaga si Ate Barbie. Oh. Ang ganda. Look at you.
Parang dalaga na siya.
See? Diba? Kanina iyak-iyak ka pa. Ganda. Bumaglay.
Is it open again?
Ate, you dance. Turkish na Turkish talaga to. Sumasayaw siya ng pan-Turkish na kanta eh.
Hey, look me. Ella, busy